Public relations, often abbreviated as PR, is a crucial aspect of any organization's success. But what exactly is PR and why does it matter? And why am I making a video about public relations? Well, I got a job about public relations. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will be diving deep into the world of public relations. I will explore its history, its significance, the downsides, and of course, how to master the art of good PR. So let's jump right into it. Hello again and welcome back to the channel. My name is Fumilaya from Beth Media, and today I will be talking about the importance of public relation. But first of all, what is public relation? Every company needs to do some kind of PR, whether they are creating a brand identity, maintaining corporate relationship, media relations, or any type of task that falls under the category of public relation. So what is PR and what do PR professionals really do? Public relation is a process of sharing information on behalf of a company or a person in order to build relationship or influence public perception. Public relations specialists will use a variety of medium to create and disseminate information for a person, a company. They often work hand in hand with the marketing, communication, or advertising departments in order to accomplish their goals. PR can be used as a tool to complete many kinds of business goals and tasks, such as creating brand awareness, crisis management, product integration, event management, and many more. Now you might be wondering, what is the differences between marketing and public relations? Marketing is traditionally viewed as the promotion of goods and services to be sold to consumer at a profit, while public relations promotes goodwill and communication between the company and the consumer. Good PR builds relationship with your customer. Public relation is a component in your marketing strategy. A company will be more profitable through their communication and their relationship with the client. So now you might be wondering, what are the different types of PR? Number one, the creation and distribution of press releases. Number two, speech writing. Number three, you write pitches about a firm, sending them directly to the journalist. Number four, create and executing special events designed for public outreach and media relations. Number five, conducting market research on the firm or the firm's messaging. Number six, expansion of the business contact via personal networking or attendance or sponsoring at events. Number seven, the writing and blogging for web, either the internal or the external sites. Number seven, crisis public relations strategy. And number eight, social media promotion and the response to negative opinions online. What are the importance of public relations? Public relation is one of the most effective ways to build on your marketing strategy and create a solid online reputation. Companies that are investing a tremendous amount of time and effort into staying on top of their PR strategies, and they are seeing larger returns with better ROI. Public relation is about sending the right messages to the right place and to the right people and creating a stronger brand reputation. PR agencies work alongside with their clients to help them achieve this and promote them within their client industry. PR is an area that can transform the future and the profitability of a business. And by using proper PR, you can give a company the ability to overcome any obstacle it might face. This is why PR is very, very essential. So what are the 5 ways that PR is shaping the marketing world in 2024? Number 1, PR is increasing the brand credibility. Whatever the industry, trust plays a monumental role when it comes to determining the success of a business. Without trust, a business leaves potential sales on the table. To bridge the trust gap between a business and its would-be client or customer, the business can hire somebody in public relations. This expert works on increasing the credibility within their given industry and increasing their overall reputation. This is often done through thought leadership pieces, influencer connection, and network strategies. Number 2, it increases profits, sales, and lead with PR. PR isn't complete without marketing. A company that enhances its reputation through a range of unique PR practices makes it likely that new potential customers will find their way right to the door. Customers and clients will have more options to connect with the companies through their business stories and press releases. PR agencies make that possible by helping organizations to craft the right messaging that resonates with their target audience in an impactful way, and in the end, this means bigger profit. PR changes the way we think about a business. That is the third point. The online world allows people to say whatever they want about a business, and then the business cannot do anything about it. A large number of businesses get bad reputation without doing anything to deserve it. Both instances are wrong. The most effective way to fix this is through PR campaigns. PR support and the right campaign increases awareness for the brand while maintaining a positive and a consumer resonant image. Number 4, it enhances online presence. Everybody is digitally connected today, and PR helps companies to create strong online presence that is highly visible to their target audience. So PR agencies provide businesses with support and guidance to help them market themselves online while being constantly ready to step in when a disaster occurs. And finally, PR communicates social values. Consumers are becoming increasingly conscious of the values of the brand they want to shop from, and employing a diverse workforce, women's rights, and sustainability are just a few of the many values that consumers say will make them more likely to purchase for a brand. Then crisis management. A good PR isn't about generating just positive news coverage about the company, as even the best businesses will face a PR crisis throughout all its lifetime. Having a plan in place before the disaster strike helps you to save valuable time and limit any potential damage in the event of a crisis. How can you ensure that your PR efforts are on the right track? Here are some key tips to measuring the art of a good PR. Number 1, transparency. Honesty is always the best policy. Be upfront about your actions and intentions. Number 2, listening. Pay attention to feedback and engage in a two-way communication. Listening is key to understanding a public sentiment. Number 3, adaptability. The media landscape is constantly evolving. Be flexible and adapt your strategies accordingly. Number 4, community engagement. Build relationship with your community through events and social initiative. And that's a wrap for it. Remember, if you need help with your PR, you can always send an email to info@bethmedia.com. Thank you for joining us on the journey through the world of PR. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week Friday. Bye for now.